Hello everyone. Today, for those who are new to Binance, I'll walk you through how to create an account and start futures trading step by step. Every stage is broken down clearly, so beginners can follow along comfortably without feeling overwhelmed. You'll find the official registration link right below this video. When you sign up using that link, you'll get a 20% discount on Binance trading fees. Make sure to use the link so you don't miss out on these rewards. First, let's learn how to sign up for Binance. Clicking the link under this video will open the Binance website automatically. Once the site opens, you'll see that the 20% fee discount is already applied. You might also notice additional promotional rewards shown on the screen. At this stage, you can register using either your email address or your phone number. After filling in your details, tick the box to accept the terms and conditions. Then, press Continue to proceed to the next step. Next, you'll be asked to complete a quick image verification. Select the image that correctly matches the word shown on the screen. Once that's done, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Type in the code you received to confirm your sign-up. Now it's time to create a password for your Binance account. Enter a password that is at least 8 characters long, and includes at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. If a referral code field appears, enter SKY333. This unlocks special benefits tied to your account. You'll receive the 20% fee discount along with extra bonus rewards. I highly recommend entering the code before finishing registration. After completing all these steps, your Binance account will be ready to use. Next, we'll move on to KYC verification. KYC verification is necessary to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. Because this process includes facial verification, we'll continue using a mobile device. Download the Binance app and open it on your phone. Sign in with the account you just created. You'll be automatically redirected to the verification screen. First, choose your nationality from the list provided. Then, pick the type of identification you want to use. I'll continue with passport verification. Tap Take Pictures to move forward. After that, press Continue to turn on the camera. Place your passport clearly inside the frame and take the photo. Make sure the image is sharp, without reflections or shadows. Next comes the facial verification step. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen. After completing this, your identity check will be submitted. Within about 1 hour, your verification status will update to verified. Now, let's improve your account security using Google Authenticator. Open the account menu. Then go to Security. Select Manage. And turn on the Authenticator app option. Enter the security code sent to your email or phone. A QR code will then appear on the screen. Install Google Authenticator and launch the app on your phone. Tap the plus button at the bottom right. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on your computer. A 6-digit code will now appear in the app. Go back to the Binance screen and click Next. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. This final step completes your two-factor authentication setup. Secondly, let's learn how peer-to-peer trading works on Binance. Start by tapping the wallet icon located at the top right of the screen. The spot wallet is where your assets are stored for regular spot trades. The futures wallet, by contrast, is only used for futures positions. At this point, be sure to choose the spot wallet. Next, look to the upper right corner and tap Deposit. From the options shown, select Buy with USD through peer-to-peer. Please check the terms and conditions on the screen and check them at the bottom. Check and press the bottom button. To start buying, switch over to the Buy section. Choose USDT as the digital asset you want to purchase. USDT is generally more stable and easier to use than buying Bitcoin first. Now, set your local currency and enter the desired amount. Then, decide which payment method you'd like to use. A list of available sellers will appear on the screen. For security, focus on sellers with many completed transactions. It's also wise to review their ratings and success rate. When you've chosen a trustworthy seller, tap Buy USDT beside their name. Before moving ahead, carefully read the seller's payment instructions. Now, input the amount of USDT you wish to buy. Once everything looks correct, confirm by tapping Buy USDT. On the next screen, you'll see the seller's name and payment information. Depending on the payment method, a QR code might be shown. Before sending money, check for any messages from the seller. Send the payment using the method you selected earlier. After completing the transfer, return to the Binance app. Tap Transferred, notify seller to inform them the payment is done. Upload 1 to 3 images as evidence of payment. Next, confirm your agreement by checking the box. Complete this step by tapping Confirm. After waiting briefly, tap the wallet icon again. From the list, select the spot wallet once more. You'll now see that the USDT has been added to your balance successfully. Third, let's learn how to trade futures. Before you place any futures orders, you'll need to move some funds first. Begin by opening your spot wallet. Next, press the transfer button in the upper right corner. Set the transfer direction from fiat and spot to USD futures. After that, choose the asset you want to move. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Please check again and press the Confirm button. In a few seconds, the funds will arrive in your futures wallet. To access futures trading, tap Futures in the top menu. From the available options, select USD futures. You'll be directed straight to the futures trading interface. Use the icon in the top left corner to open the coin list. Pick the trading pair you want to trade. On the right side, you'll find the order and position controls. Start by opening the margin mode settings. With cross margin, your entire available balance backs the position. With isolated margin, only the amount you assign is at risk. For most beginners, isolated margin is the safer option. Now, let's move on to setting your leverage. On Binance, leverage can be set as high as 150x. Higher leverage can boost profits, but it also increases losses. If you're just starting out, 3 to 5 times leverage is easier to manage. You can set the order type in this section. A limit order lets you choose the price you want to enter at. A market order fills immediately at the current market price. Below that, you can see how much margin is available. Here, set your entry price and the size of your position. Next, choose the direction of your trade. If you believe the price will rise, tap Buy to go long. If you expect the price to drop, tap Sell to open a short. To keep track of your trade, tap the Positions tab at the bottom. There, you can view your active position. Entry price shows the average price you entered at. Mark price reflects the current reference market price. If the price reaches the liquidation level, the position closes automatically. P&L displays your profit or loss in real time. To manage risk, tap the pencil icon next to TPSL. This is where you set take profit and stop loss prices. When you're ready to exit the trade, find the Market Close All option. Select either Market or Limit to close your position. After this step, the position will be completely closed. Today, for those who are new to Binance, I walked you through how to create an account and start futures trading step by step. Your likes and subscriptions make a big difference and truly support the channel. Thank you so much for staying with me until the very end.